Good morning, children. Hope that you all are doing good. And we are going to learn today a very interesting topic, modal verbs. Now, modal verbs is not, though it is a separate and has a lot to study about, but it is a part of verbs. It is somehow connected to verbs. Today we will be discussing about its definition, structure and how to use it. Verb is something that you have been studying for years now. You start studying verbs from class 1 and you have been taught that a doing word is a verb. Sit, stand, eat and all this. But as you advance in your studies, as your studies get advanced, you get to know about more and more parts related to the particular, let's say, a part of speech, because it is one of the very important part of speech of English language. Now, verb is segregated into two parts, which is main verb and auxiliary verb. Children, I would request you to pronounce after you listen to me saying this, because these little things matter a lot, so you should know how to pronounce the verb correctly. Main verb. When a verb works as the main verb in the sentence, suppose I look at the picture. In this word, if you remove look, you will not be able to make the sentence. So look is a verb and working here in this sentence as a main verb. Auxiliary verbs. Though today's topic is modals, but I will give you a brief description of auxiliaries and all these types. Alright, so the next in the queue is auxiliaries. Auxiliaries, you can also call them helping verbs. They are further divided into two parts, primary and modals. Main verb, the subject and the object. Okay, so where in a sentence you have an object, that is called a transitive verb, and when you say a sentence without an object, but without an object, it is still able to make a complete sense. You will call that sentence that the sentence is written in transitive verb. A transitive verb has been used. Okay, let's take an example of transitive verb. I am eating a biscuit. So what is the subject? I. And what is being worked upon? It's a biscuit. And what is the verb? I am eating. So you can find an object. Thus, it's a transitive verb. Let's take an example for intransitive. I am a singer. Now, this sentence does not have any object in it, but still it is complete in its meaning. So it is intransitive. Primary. Primary verbs, you study the form of be in this, and I already taught you about the be family. Okay, be has been segregated into several further parts. Now we are coming to the main topic, which is modals. It is not modal, it is not model, it is not model, it is modal. Modal. Okay, say it 3 times and you will learn how to pronounce it correctly.